So hello guys, for today's video, kami nga ay magbibigay guys ng konting tip, no? So sa naging interview namin sa pag-apply namin ng overseas citizenship of India. Ayan, para naman may kunti kayong idea rin, no, na makukuha sa amin. So based in our experience. So si Mr. muna magsasabi guys ng kanyang experience.
Our interview was more easy than what we expected, and the interviewers were not suspecting in their tone. They were like more polite and more understanding in their nature, which surprised us because there's a perception about government officials here in India that they are strict and they intend to not let people pass the interview, but it's not. They even helped us to correct some documents, like we had that pics we had were different, like our background color was different, so they helped us in that also. And in interview the questions were very subjective, and like we can say easy question, no difficult questions. Their intention was just clearly to just they were curious about our story rather than suspecting anything, because they're very intelligent people, those who interview. They can easily see which case is wrong, which case is right. Once they know the case is right, then they just curious to know your side of story, like how you met and all like that. Because in documents there's no problem, then obviously they have proof that it's genuine case. So that was our interview experience from my side, and you can tell.
Yes guys, so hindi talaga namin expect yung naging process, no, ng aming applications, kasi napaka-smooth guys, na hindi namin ina-expect na ganun lang siya kadali. Kasi nga yung mga napapanood namin sa YouTube na sinasabi nila na mahigpit sila.
And one more thing, there are many rejected cases of OCI also, but they are from different state. Maybe in that state things work differently, but in our state it's all seems all good. I don't know.
So first guys is si Mr. ang pumasok sa FRRO office, no? Kasi nga siya yung may hawak ng mga documents namin. So ako kasi si Just umiiyak that time. So pinatahan ko siya. So hindi ako pumasok sa labas. So si Mr. ang unang sumagot kasi may bibigay silang answer sheet, right? Question. Some question there na sasagutan ni Mr. tsaka sasagutan ko. So very basic din yung mga question doon guys. It's about family also, circle, no? Yes, yun lang yung mga question doon. Napaka basic lang, as in kung kilala nyo yung isa't isa, alam nyo yun, kilala nyo yung isa't isa, kilala mo yung pamilya ng asawa mo, so masasagutan mo yun. Yes, masasagutan mo ng napakadali. So, may time guys na mayroon akong hindi sure na sagot. So, tinanong ko si Mr. Kasi nga doon kaming dalawa. Walang ibang tao doon. Kaming dalawa lang, tsaka yung mga officer. So, tinatanong ko si Mr. Hindi naman kami sinita na bawal yung ganyan, bawal yung ganito, ganyan. So, hinayaan lang kami. Dahil din siguro may baby na kami no na makulit. Ayan. So, yun, I think nakatulong yun na may baby na kami. Yes. Ayan, so kinonsider nila yun na genuine kaming couple, alam niyo yun. Then after that, inisa-isa nila yung mga documents namin.
In interview, when they asked like who are family members, then we wrote all. Then we didn't wrote about just. Then they even said, and this little one.
Yeah, so may sinagutan kasi ako doon, hindi ko naintindihan yung tanong na sino pala yung kasama kong nakatira sa bahay dito sa India. So, ang sagot ko doon, no yata, ganyan. So, kinorek ng yun guys, ng officer, nakakatuwa, no? So, bakit daw no yung sagot ko? So, inansaran ko yun dahil nga kinorek niya ako. Ayan. So, after doon guys, after ng answer sheet, dahil nga hindi pareho yung in-upload naming picture, in-upload naming picture sa aming application, hindi siya pareho doon sa dala namin. So, sinabihan kami kung paanong gagawin namin. Kailangan naming magpa-picture ulit with background na blue, light blue na background. So, after that, after namin yung nagawa, yung pinagawa nilang yun, tas pinare-upload nila yung aming application, no, with new pictures of Just in Me. Ayan. Then, after nun, inisa-isa nila yung documents namin, from original to photocopy. So, lahat ng kinuha nila guys is photocopy. Then, chinek lang nila dun sa original kung tama yung mga documents, no. So, yun yung ginawa nila. Then, after that, binigyan na kami ng papel. Then, sabi ko kay Mister, bakit walang interview? Ba't hindi tayo in-interview? Sabi ko, so nakalabas na kami sa office nila guys, naghihintay na kami ng aming sasakyan, no? So sabi ko kay Mister, ba't wala tayong interview? Di ba necessary yun? Parang isang yun na i-interviewin tayo. So sabi ko, Mister, pwede kang bumalik at tanungin, make sure lang ba? So yun, bumalik kami at pinatanong ko kay Mister kung okay, wala ba talagang interview. So I think nakalimutan lang nila guys. So nung tinanong ni Mister, sabi okay na daw. Then tinawagan siya. Ayan, so buti na lang hindi pa kami nakaalis. So tinawagan siya, pinabalik kami. So yun yung interview na ginawa nila. So ang easy lang ng guys, kasi we are together na in-interview nung isang Nepali yata yun na officer. Kasi okay siya mag-English guys. So Nepali officer siya, yung nag-interview sa amin. So sabay kaming in-interview, tinanong si Mister, tinanong ako, parang salitan lang. So napaka-easy lang ng question guys. So magbibigay lang ako ng konting idea, no? So, karamihan sa question nila is about us. Kailan kami nagkita, ayan, kailan kami nag-meet. Yung mga ganong tanong ba, yung personal naming connection, parang ganong personal question namin na magkarelasyon, ayan, kung saan kami kinasal, kailan kami kinasal, mga ganong question, tsaka yung trabaho ng asawa ko, trabaho ko nung bago kami nagkakilala, trabaho niya, ganyan, yung mga ganong question lang guys, napaka-easy. So relax, basta kung relax ka lang sa kanilang mga question, wala kang magiging problema at masasagot mo yun lahat. Ayan, so yun yung naging experience namin guys, nakakatuwa lang kasi napaka-smooth talaga. Hindi kami nahirapan sa lahat ng process doon sa loob, no? So, very din sila kasi, very helpful din sila. So, kung may kailangan kang gawin, i-instruct naman nila yun. Ayan. So, yun lang yung naging experience namin guys sa pag-a-apply ng OCI. So, ang layo doon sa mga napapanood namin na napakadami nilang tinanong daw or napaka-strict nila. Pero sa amin, hindi namin na-experience yun. Ayan. So, after that, sabi, bihintayin namin after 15 days ang police verification. Ayan. So, yan ang hinihintay namin, guys, na next step. Then, after police verification, I think magpo-process na yun. Sana, bago yung plano namin na bakasyon sa Pilipinas, guys, is makuha namin yung UCI namin, no? Kasi kung wala pa yung UCI, baka hindi kami matuloy sa plano namin ni Jess na magbakasyon bago siya mag2 taon. So, sana ma-process agad at makuha namin agad yung aming UCI. Kasi, kailangan kasi yata, guys, is ako mismo ang kukuha ng UCI ko. Hindi pwedeng si Mister. Hindi ko alam yun. I'm not sure. Hindi yata namin natanong yun. So, yun naman, guys, ang naging experience namin sa aming pag-a-apply ng Overseas Citizenship of India or OCI. Ayan. So, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye! Bye, Nagulo. Bye, guys!